So these are the Hollyland Lark M1s. It's a simple, budget-friendly wireless lavalier microphone system that's perfect for content creators and video producers that want high-quality audio and don't want to break the bank. So in this video, I'm going to talk about why you should buy this or why you shouldn't buy this, and why I always recommend this microphone after using it for over a year. Let's get right into it. Firstly, it comes in this well-made and good quality carrying case with all of your stuff inside, including the receiver and the microphone itself. Then you have two cables, one for your camera and one for your smartphone, and then this mini dead cat as well you can put on top of the microphone. And then obviously your papers and documentation, and that is about it. Now please note, this is the version without the charging case. Both of these have USB-C built into them, which also comes with a USB charging cable. So yeah, for overall unboxing experience, I really love this travel case, and I don't ever have to worry about damaging my mics. I can simply just throw this case in my bag and not have to worry about it. But let's talk about the form factor. Now, one of the reasons a lot of people, and myself included, love these microphones so much is because of how small and easy to use they actually are. You simply just plug in your receiver to your camera or your iPhone or wherever you use to record, simply turn both of them on, and you are ready to go. I mean, you can see it on my shirt right here, but it is so small, I can literally attach it to literally anything that I wanted to. It comes with a little lever as well, so I can clip it on my shirt, or I can just talk with it in my hand like this as well. Now, the cool thing about these though is on the mic there's this yellow button that is a background remover button, which is pretty cool. So the moment I press it, it will kind of remove the background. You won't notice it here as much, but when you're in a busy street or whatever, you would definitely notice the difference. And also, the reason I bought this instead of like a podcast microphone or anything like that is because I can move around like this with no problems at all. I mean, I can even move back if I really wanted to. I can even walk out of the frame and I can still have clear and crisp audio because I don't necessarily sit still for the entirety of my videos. And with a range of over 100 meters, or well, that is what they're advertising it at, I can confidently say that, yeah, you can go as far as you really wanted to, and it will still pick up audio. Okay, let's see how far this thing can pick up. I think this is around 50 meters. I'm not sure if you can even see me in frame. Yeah, so that's about 70 meters, I think. Yeah, so as you guys can see, it can pick up. Doesn't really matter how far you stand. I mean, nobody's going to record this far away, but it is a useful feature. So yeah, as I said, it's a pretty good microphone regarding the build quality, how easy it is to use, but let's quickly talk about the price. Okay, now the price of these is another reason why I love these so much. So I picked this up for around $90. And if you compare this to other brands like DJI or Rode, that is incredibly cheap for what you are getting. I mean, as I said, I really love these mics and I use them for all of the videos I shoot, and I never have to worry about my audio being bad or not coming through or anything like that. So yeah, for $19, this is an amazing pickup, especially if you're just starting out, want to make some content. These are perfect. So yeah, so there you have it. I would just like to say this is not sponsored, by the way. This is just something that I really love, and I wanted to share with you what I think about it. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, a sub to the channel would be awesome. And yeah, catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.